To choose an SSL setting, in the Home menu, click Settings. Then click Advanced, and then SSL. Under Security Preference, choose a setting. Your site includes 3 SSL-related security options: Secure without HSTS enabled, Secure with HSTS enabled, and Insecure. We recommend Secure with HSTS enabled, as this is the most secure option. You can view a domain's SSL certificate details within most browsers. To view an SSL certificate, visit your site from its custom domain and click the lock icon next to the URL. Depending on your browser, you'll see links to more detailed information. For more help viewing SSL certificate details, contact your browser's support. If you're using an external provider for SSL, like Cloudflare, you can disable it and use Squarespace's automatic SSL protection for custom domains. However, Squarespace can't generate a certificate for your domain until you point your domain to our servers. If your site is on the Commerce Basic or Advanced plan and using the Secure SSL setting, your customers will see your custom domain during checkout. And if you're using the Insecure setting, they'll see a URL beginning with this instead. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.